Good morning, everyone. Today we will start the chapter tissue. It is the second chapter of your biology. So, before starting the tissue, I want to discuss with you that what is tissue. Tissue, as in the previous chapter we have discussed, it is a group of cells, and it is a group of cells that are similar in structure and work together to achieve a particular function forms tissue. मीन्स बहुत सारी सेल मिलकर जब किसी एक पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन को करेंगी then that group of cell is known as tissue. As I am saying that a group of cell, and it is only and only found in multicellular organism. In unicellular organism there is only one cell, so we cannot get a group of cell there. Utility of tissue in multicellular means what is the use of tissue in multicellular? So there are two use. It helps in division of labor. Labor means work. Means काम को बांट दिया जा सकता है if tissue is there. Means different tissues perform different function. For example, the tissue which is present in our lungs that help in our respiratory system, and the tissue which is present in our digestive system that help in our digestion process. So there is a division of labor in tissue. They perform the function efficiently. If different tissue perform different function, so there is no one area which has to do a lot of function by that. So due to the division of labor, the functions has to be performed very efficiently. So tissue help in these two areas. This is the difference between plant and animal tissue. प्लांट के अंदर जो टिश्यू है बेसिकली दैट इज स्टेशनरी, जबकि एनिमल के अंदर मूव करने वाला, क्योंकि प्लांट को एक जगह खड़े रहना है और एनिमल्स को मूव करना है. दे आर सिंपल एंड दे आर कॉम्प्लेक्स. मोस्ट ऑफ द टिश्यू इज डेड विच प्रोवाइड सपोर्ट, क्योंकि प्लांट को सपोर्ट की ज्यादा जरूरत है एक जगह खड़े रहने के लिए. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टिश्यू इन एनिमल इज लिविंग. देयर ग्रोथ इज कन्फाइंड टू सर्टेन एरियाज, वेयर इज ग्रोथ इज नॉट लिमिटेड टू एरियाज. यहाँ ग्रोथ लिमिटेड नहीं होती. लेस मेंटेनेंस एनर्जी, प्लांट को एनिमल के कंपैरेटिवली मेंटेनेंस एनर्जी कम चाहिए, वेयर एज एनिमल रिक्वायर मोर. प्लांट ग्रो कंटिन्यूअसली थ्रू आउट द लाइफ बट एनिमल्स कैन नॉट. दिस इज द चार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट टिश्यू in which we will discuss the different types of tissue one by one. First, the plant tissue is divided in two categories, meristematic and permanent. In the meristematic tissue, it is that type of tissue in which the cells continuously divide. But in permanent, cells do not divide. So, meristematic tissue की cells continuously divide होती रहती है, तो वो continuously growth provide कराएंगी. But permanent की cells continuously divide नहीं होती. There are three type of meristematic tissue which we will discuss. Permanent tissue is of two type. One is simple, in which all the cells are of same type, that's why it is simple. Complex, in which the cells are of different type, that is complex. Vascular, why it is known as vascular, we will discuss it later. Simple tissue is of three type and complex tissue is of two type. Here we will start meristematic tissue. I have taken this picture from the NCERT. Meristematic tissue is of three type: apical, intercalary, lateral. Basically, this is the name on the basis of their location, कि वो कहाँ present हैं, उस basis पे नाम दिया गया. Apical is present at the tip. This tip may be of root and this tip may be of shoot. Intercalary is present at the node. This one area जहाँ ये एक नया part जुड़ा हुआ होता है, that is called node. और ये बीच का एरिया इंटरनोड, फिर ये दोबारा नोड. तो दो नोड के बीच का एरिया, ये व्हाइट वाला एरिया इंटरनोड, एंड दिस ग्रीन एरिया इज नोड. ये हम शुगर केन में बहुत इजीली ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. शुगर केन में नोड और इंटरनोड बहुत क्लियरली विजिबल होते हैं. थर्ड वन इज लेटरल मेरिस्टेम. इट इज प्रेजेंट लेटरली, जैसे प्रेजेंट है ना, दिस वन इज लेटरली प्रेजेंट टिश्यू, सो इट इज नोन एज लेटरल मेरिस्टेम. Then apical meristem continuously grow the tip. Intercalary meristem continuously grow here and increase the length of the internode and provide growth to the part which is attached here. It may be a leaf, it may be an organ, or it may be root, hair, etc. Lateral meristem, as it is present laterally, and it grow in this direction and in this direction. So this tissue provide the diameter, increase in the diameter, means यहाँ से stem जो मोटाई में बढ़ेगा दोनों side, that is due to lateral meristem. Apical meristem provide growth lengthwise. Lateral meristem provide growth in its diameter. So lengthwise growth का increase होना, this is called primary growth, और diameter में increase होना, this is called secondary growth. So primary growth is provided by apical meristem and secondary growth is provided by lateral meristem. Now you can see here in this picture apical meristem which is present at the tip, intercalary meristem which is present at the node, and lateral meristem, देखिए दोनों एरो इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं, इधर की साइड भी ग्रो करेगा और इधर की साइड भी, मीन्स ये स्टेम अब मोटाई में बढ़ेगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड lateral meristem. Here you can see the difference between these two on the basis of location and on the basis of function. As I told you, you can see this here. So I am going to attach a video in which I have shown these different type of tissues and I tried to explain it in a plant. I hope you enjoy and it will help to understand. So enjoy it. Till then, goodbye.